BMW is electrifying its executive lineup with the introduction of the mid-size 2024 i5 sedan, bridging the gap between the award-winning i4 and the luxurious i7 flagship. Positioned as the pinnacle of driving pleasure and upscale comfort, the i5 offers two dynamic powertrains to cater to varied preferences. The rear-drive XDrive 40 model kicks off the lineup, boasting a robust 335 horsepower. For those seeking an extra dose of performance, the dual-motor M60 XDrive takes the stage with an impressive 590 horsepower, coupled with all-wheel drive capability. During our exhilarating prototype drive in France, we were captivated by the E5 M60's agility and delighted by its advanced onboard technology. In the competitive landscape of medium-sized luxury electric cars, the i5 faces contenders like the Genesis electrified G80 and the Mercedes-Benz EQE, along with established players like the Porsche Taycan and Tesla Model S. As part of the BMW mid-size sedan lineup, the i5 arrives alongside a new generation of the gasoline-powered 5 Series, offering an electric alternative. Anticipated in showrooms before the close of 2023, the 2024 BMW i5 comes with a price tag ranging from $67,795 to $85,095, depending on the chosen trim and options. While the eDrive 40 prioritizes range, the M60 trim indulges driving enthusiasts with extra horsepower and exceptional cornering capabilities. With two models in the lineup, the eDrive 40 and M60 XDrive, the i5 impresses with its refined ride and exhilarating performance. The 590 HP M60 accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.3 seconds, featuring sporty enhancements like active anti-roll bars, rear-wheel steering, and a performance-tuned suspension. Underneath the i5's sleek exterior lies an 84.3 kWh battery pack, providing an estimated 295 miles of range for the eDrive 40 and 256 miles for the M60 model. The battery supports fast charging, capable of reaching 80% capacity in just 30 minutes at DC fast charging stations. BMW sweetens the deal with 3 years of free 30-minute charging sessions at Electrify America stations for every new i5 owner. Inside the i5's cabin, spaciousness and luxury prevail, mirroring the comfort of the gasoline-powered 5 Series. Despite the battery's presence, the cabin remains uncompromised, though trunk space is slightly reduced. BMW introduces Veganza, a faux leather upholstery, alongside traditional leather options, and offers glass interior controls for a sophisticated touch. Optional features like heated and ventilated front seats with massage further enhance the driving experience. Subscribe to MI Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest updates and in-depth reviews on cutting-edge electric vehicles, like the 2024 BMW i5. Join us on the electrifying journey towards the future of automotive excellence.